Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you are not able to have photo access or camera access on your Instagram app to your camera roll. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to take care of that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Instagram or sign into your account, and then select your profile icon down in the bottom right corner to be directed to your profile page. Now proceed to select the hamburger icon on the top right, and then scroll down underneath where it says the Your App and Media section. Select Device Permissions, and then select where it says Photos and Videos. Select Update Device Settings at the bottom, and then you will have to select Open Device Settings. Now you want to select Permissions on this page, and then scroll down to the Photos and Video section, and select always allow or allow limited access depending on your preference, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.